Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice, beautiful, warm spring Friday morning, and we have a brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate, white in color. We're about to do a 4-inch McGoy's lift kit, some 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT trail tires with some 22-inch OE replica G21 wheels in chrome. We're going to use the chrome Denali center caps where the truck has black wheels on it now from the factory. I'm going to flip the camera around. Actually, I don't have to because the reflection of this mirror tint they've put on the part of the building over here. But I'm going to flip the camera around and show you this truck. Super excited. Customer is from Hilton Head, South Carolina today. We typically do weekday installs. Today's Friday, so we're going to try to do this in one day. And we have half of a day to overflow tomorrow. We have a mechanic that's agreed to come in on Saturday this one time and do this one particular job. So he's kind of made a choice to come in on his own. So it's not something I can guarantee in the future, but maybe. So stay tuned for this one. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you the truck now and we'll get started. All right, here's our beautiful truck. You know, we've seen a couple of them like this, and there's certain things that I know you're looking for now. So yes, he does have the color matched fender trim already. It looks like he already bought the, this looks like maybe the Recon. I don't see the branding of Recon on it, but these are aftermarket side marker lights. It looks like he's done the tinted amber ones, the smoked ambers. Looks really, really nice. We're not going to have to do like a mud flap delete or anything on this truck. With this wheel and tire setup that we're doing, it's going to fit with a little bit of trimming. We're gonna have to round the bottom of the bumper right there just a little bit, but it'll look nice and it'll clear. Let me know what you think about this truck. I know that, like I said, there's been a couple of them, but I don't think I've done this exact setup on this exact color and everything truck yet, so this ought to be something new. Stay tuned. Thank you. I've been getting a little loose with it lately and throwing out some mistakes for you guys. I hope you haven't been picking them up. I know I have in the editing. Like yesterday's video, I said a set of wheels were forged wheels that weren't forged wheels on that red truck. So yeah, I notice when I make mistakes, but sometimes the videos are already posted and it's really, really hard to go back in and edit a video that's already posted. YouTube's website does it, but it's kind of slow and it just takes forever. But I hope you guys give me the benefit of the doubt the most of the time, that I'm not a complete idiot. I do, you know, there's things that I don't know about the trucks, the trim packages and things like that. I'm learning about that, but I never claimed to be like a GM like nerd or like a GM know-it-all. I know about the suspensions of most of these trucks and the tire and wheel fitments, and that kind of carries me to where I need to be. But I just said this truck's a 2500 in the opening clip, and I wanted to tell you that it's not. It's a 3500. I think I said that earlier before that, but just to clarify, I know this is a 3500. So you guys in the comments, I beat you to it. So I'm coming to you from the inside of the truck again because it is a really hot day in here in Georgia. And you guys know I love summer, and I've been begging for this to happen for what, 3-4 months now. I've been begging for warm weather again. So I'm forgetting all the things that I don't like about summer. And I saw a few spiders around the house, at home a couple times this week, and I forgot about spiders, and I don't really like spiders or snakes or anything like that. And then I also forgot about the blistering heat at work. When I'm sitting in the interior of a GMC 2500 or 3500 Denali Ultimate like this one, the air conditioner is very nice and cool, and I've got plenty of time. Right now I've turned the motor off because I think it's quieter in the truck with the motor off so I can speak to you guys better, but it is hot. So anyways, I'm gonna get through the clip. The truck is done. We did a 4-inch McGoy's lift on this one, which I haven't been showing McGoy's as much love on the 4-inch kits lately, I feel like, and there's no specific reason why. One thing I would say to Steve McGoy, if I could be honest with him, is I wish he would offer Fox shocks on his website with his lift kit, because I feel like it would just accelerate the sales of the kits, because 9 times out of 10, the customer doesn't care if we do a McGoy's or a Cognito. They just want Fox shocks with it. So McGoy's lift kit comes with M84 shocks, and they may be just as good, but nobody knows the brand as much. So it's a McGoy's shock. It's a McGoy's M84 for the year they were started their business in 84, I think is what it was. But they're a good shock. They make it in-house, but a lot of the guys want that Fox shock upgrade, and you can't take the shocks out of the McGoy's kit and buy them separately, buy the kit separate from the shocks, and then add Fox shocks. So essentially what you have to do is just buy 2 sets of shocks, and that's not really convenient. So a lot of my customers end up going with the Cognito lift over the McGoy's for that sole reason. But today we have done the McGoy's lift kit on this truck, 4 inches. We did 37, 1250, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trails. That's one of my favorite all-terrain tires right now. And we have done the 22-inch replica chrome 22-inch G21s. They are 22 by 8.5 with a positive 47 offset, which allows us to put these 37, 1250, 20s on here without cutting the truck all up. We have done a little modification to the front bumper. I'll show you that. But other than that, enjoy the clips of the truck and let me know what you think. Thank you. Here is our amazing 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. This is the biggest, the baddest, the best trim package you can buy. One of the better trucks in my opinion. If you can ask me about Dodge, Chevy, and Ford, GMC is, to me, Chevy. But anyways, GMC and Chevrolet to me are the better truck. It's a more comfortable truck. If you have worked your entire life and you want to buy something nice, there is nothing out there nicer to me to buy than this in this class. There's always bigger trucks and dualies and stuff like that, but if you want the nicest, 3/4 ton, to 1 ton truck, this is the best option to me. The truck's beautiful, has every upgrade you can imagine. We did the very nice classy McGoy's 4-inch lift kit right here. Like I said, it comes with their M84 shocks in the kit. They're very nice shocks. The tires and wheels that we did on this truck are the 37, 1250, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. It has a very nice tread design to it. Very quiet tire, very smooth. Rides really good. It has a ride guarantee, so if you guys buy Toyo tires and you don't like the way they look, ride, or anything like that, they do have a trial area of time where you can actually drive them and see if you like them first. It's like 45 days or 500 miles or something like that, whatever comes first. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed on their tires. Of course, we very rarely have to do any kind of warranty claim on these tires because they're so great and everybody seems to love them. The ride, the mileage, the everything. They pair up real nicely on these 22-inch replica wheels that we do. These are the G21s in chrome. This is a replica, not a GM wheel, but it does accept the GM cap. So the Denali Ultimate comes with a black cap from the factory. So we sourced these for the customer and get them from GM, and they install on these wheels perfectly, and they look like factory wheels. This says Denali. His factory black cap said Denali. It matches just right. If you guys have any questions about this build or any of the stuff we did to it, feel free to reach out, 678-994-9180. And my name is Jake, and I sure do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.